Birds and butterflies make an interesting marketing story. They both fly and they're both susceptible to the winds of change. B2C consumers and B2B buyers, the birds and the butterflies, have been upended by this pandemic, and marketers are trying desperately to react to their flight. Last week, we introduced the idea of an hourglass to replace a traditional funnel. As birds and butterflies flow into the hourglass, some, maybe many, ooze out and never make it to the neck of the funnel where they're magically transformed into buyers and customers. We'll circle back to the hourglass dynamics in a future insight. But right now, insight number one focuses on another hourglass. It's the internal hourglass of employees who are reevaluating everything about their work, their environment, and their purpose. If it's true that 25 to 45% of employees will change jobs in the next 18 months, this can have serious brand marketing repercussions. Insight number two says marketing has to step up and help HR guide the messaging to encourage employees to stay and embrace their organization. Otherwise, there's going to be more marketing chaos, already fragile, and contrary to government and media proclamations, it's not ready for prime time anytime soon. That's my 90 seconds. Think about it, have a great week, and be sure to connect, engage, and excite.